So on the one hand, we have a lot of mature products where a lot of competitors, especially from Asia, come in and tackle us there. And there we try to hold our position. But on the other hand, we need to be in front of our competitors with new products and be there. And therefore, we need support from camLine and all the industry to get ahead of the production. Yeah, SPACE is our basic for statistical process control. We control there our process, advanced process control, and additionally use eCAP for the corrective action part. Yeah, so the key takeaways here: good networking, nice city, and also a lot of new information, good outlook to see what is the new direction will SPC go to. Yeah, so we are definitely interested for looking forward to use agentic AI. But yeah, therefore we now need to, we are really at the start here, and now we need to get further inspiration and outlook to really start that journey here.